Thank you.
You
I can pay
using Swish.
Oh, brilliant. Awesome.
All right, thanks.
So listen guys, I'm going to show you how simple it is to pay using Swish. I simply open up my Swish app. I scan and pay using the QR code that they have here. So I scan that and I enter the amount for the pizza, proceed to payment, pay, put in my secret PIN, which I'm not going to tell you, submit that, and I select which way I want to pay. Is it mobile money or is it my bank account? Because they're all linked onto my Swish account. So I select my mobile money, all right, processing, and it's done. So I get a text from my mobile service provider. They're asking me, am I making this payment? And I say, yes, I'm making the payment. I put in my PIN. I approve the transaction, and voila, it is done. You have approved this amount initiated by Swish. It's as simple as that.